Okay, last rays of light setting on February 26th here, Thursday, February 26th in Glenview, Illinois. This is Swenson Park. You got a skate park here, and again, we're going to be looking for those spots. Hopefully, we get a little bit of light still left to get some of these. See some of these spaces. As we said before, I stay away from the playgrounds. Let the playgrounds be for the kids and the families. Enjoying those areas. Which also means, for the most part, staying off of the playground equipment, etc. We actually have some skateboarders out here, possibly because Northbrook, which is the nearest skate park, possibly, it's closed right now. Though there is a skate park in Niles off of Milwaukee, almost near Dempster. I don't see too much in this area. Stay off the parking lots for this kind of stuff too. Do have this looks like a field hockey or ice hockey rink, depending on the time of year. Probably makes a bit of a difference. We've got calling it the skate park and the rink safety rules. Oh, so this is also this is the same information for the skate park as well. So they've got it posted over here. And here's the rink, just so you can, or the where you can do your field hockey or your ice skating. Swenson Park skate park and rink safety rules. Facilities are designed for skateboarders. Inline skating only. No bicycles, no scooters, and no other wheeled or sliding devices. And persons not skating are prohibited from using the skating structure equipment. Skateboarding and inline skating can be dangerous. At your own risk. Your safety is important. This facility is unsupervised. Please inspect equipment before using it to make sure no hazards are present. Wear protective equipment, such as the helmet, the elbow pad, and the knee pad, etc. Do not bring food or glass into the facility. No personally owned ramps, boxes, or other devices may be brought into or used at Swenson Park. We've seen this. Those are pretty consistent with some other ones that we've seen. Help maintain this skate park in top condition, protect from graffiti and abuse, respect the safety of others, and be courteous to all. Respect our neighbors and keep noise to a minimum. No smoking, lighters, or matches allowed at any time. No smoking, no lighters, and no matches allowed at any time. Remove all debris from the facility and dispose of it in a proper way in the proper containers. Report any needed repairs to the park services. There's the number. Call 911 for emergency assistance. The pay telephone is located at the shelter building, which I'm guessing possibly is that right there. Shelter building. And then we welcome your suggestions for making the skate facility the best it can be. Thank you for your cooperation. The Glenview Park District, and you can kind of see by the wear and the rusting away of these that this has been up for a bit. Although I don't remember it exactly like this. This place used to, I think, be called the Rugen Center. So maybe it's worth it to just kind of run around on the other side here, and see what they have over here. Looks like they got like a large hill, and here's your garbage can. Oh, these look like nice benches. Actually, I haven't been to this. I definitely have not been to this park since it was redone, probably many years ago. And here's a nice area. This is right across the street from the Glenview Park Golf Club. Did not know that either. So up here seems like this could actually be something. You got like a nice view of the skate park. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice. But you can't hit. This would be maybe like 4, 5, 6 skill skillers in the space. You can see how it kind of goes down from there. Looks like there's a baseball field out there, 2 baseball fields, softball, etc. And here's your skate park from that angle. Got a mini ramp. And if you notice, you got that same there's this you got the same thing that they got over at the Glenview Park. This like the skate key thing. The skateboard repair station. Yeah, these are the only 2 parks I've ever seen that at. And yeah, so it's like these are metal ramps. So sometimes skateboarders are partial to concrete usually, but if you can't get a concrete ramp, metal ramps can be good. So as far as the skateboarding is concerned, yeah, no, nice park out here. And but yeah, for your skill space, could be over here. There's a possibility like out of the way of these baseball, softball areas, and then so there's these trees back here. So this is kind of like a this area over here actually might be a little bit more interesting if you want to kind of get something a little lot more out of the way, something kind of over here behind these trees, or between the skate park back there and the trees. And you got this basketball court over here between the skate park and this area, which we haven't seen yet, which is this sort of U-shaped area. And that's this U-shape. This could be something, although this is the kind of thing where it's a little sort of like front and center. So you definitely would be, if you're a little shy about your juggling, it may not be the spot for you. And they've got some sort of maybe safety lights up there, some kind of things over there, and a vending machine maybe. I'm not sure. Oh no, that's for emergency. So this is like I guess you call this like the field house, something like that, station. So this is a possibility. I'm not going to rule this out and say definitely not good, but it would be really, if you don't mind people looking at your juggling or whatever you're doing, this would be a good spot, like if you want to kind of take center stage. If not, yeah, that hill back there was interesting, and then also this area behind the trees over there, and maybe there is like a little spot over here too, that we didn't really look at. No, I don't know. It's near the playground, so maybe not so much, but you will find your spots, and they will become you're like what you're comfortable with and where you want to go. And it's nice. What we have been finding in general is that I've been looking around each of these places. Usually there's like 1, 2, but usually like 2, 3, 4 kind of potential spots. So you don't have to, you're not just confined to like one option, which is good. So it's that way also too. It's like if someone shows up, and your spot is already used, or someone's using your, where you want to go, you can just move to one of these other places and then do your practice, skill meetup, etc. in that spot. So, and yeah, I mean, I feel like obviously, it seems like if there's no one out here, like you could probably just do some. You could get some skill going, right here in a place like this, like out in the field, if there's no baseball game or anything happening. So it's always it's very it's always day to day too, because just as an example, like if this was the 4th of July, who knows? I don't know if they're gonna have fireworks out here, but there's there might be a lot of activity. They might have a fair, they might have an event. So that's one of these things that's that possibly with the skateboard park you can maybe avoid, because the skateboard park, it's like that's a place for skateboard park. But with the skill space, and it's not officially carved out of the landscape with a sign and a fence or something that says this is the skill space, then you might show up somewhere and there's an event. So you got to always be prepared for that the place that you wanted to go that day may already be in use. So it's good to have other places in mind when you're thinking about where to go. I'm sure there's some places that are pretty good year-round, and then other places that are going to be more seasonal, or certain events are happening. It makes it difficult to do it. But yeah, this is Swenson Park, Glenview, Illinois. That's the moon up there. And yeah, pretty nice actually. And up on that hill, I think there's definitely something to come back and check out. And that area over here, behind those, like in that triangle by the trees, and then even like right here with that U area. And if no one's on the field of these two baseball fields, then I don't know, you definitely have at it with the skills. So yep. All right, well, enjoy, and see you at the next skill space. Bye.